Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. My name is Chad Johnerson and I am your Denver Modern Agent. Today we're out here in Erie Highlands, which is a master plan community by Oakwood Homes, and the property we're checking out by them is going to be called the Summit. Now I'm standing out front of their community clubhouse that they have here. Since it is master plan, they do offer a lot of extra amenities for the residents of the Erie Highlands, and I've honestly been hammering it home. I really do think Erie is going to be absolutely exploding in these next couple of years. So if you guys do like any of these new homes in this area, or if you want to see any other new builds from different builders, let me know. I'm happy to continue to feature these properties. Otherwise, we do have some exciting stuff coming up on the channel. So make sure you guys are subscribed just to make sure you don't miss this. I'm telling you, it's going to be awesome and absolutely crazy when we get some of these homes on the channel. So leave a like if you guys enjoy this content, and let's get into checking out the Summit by Oakwood Homes. The Summit by Oakwood Homes is a part of their Meridian collection at the Erie Highlands. Now, it starts at around $565,000. It offers anywhere from 2 to 7 bedrooms, 2 to 5 bathrooms, and ranges from 1,700 square feet all the way up to over 3,700 square feet. Now that is if you take advantage of the extra flex space on the second floor and you fully finish out the basement on this property. Now if you do like what you see, please reach out to me if you're looking for this model specifically. Unfortunately, they do not have any left at the Highlands, but they do in Reunion, which is in Commerce City. I hope you guys enjoy the tour and let me know if there's anything I can help you with.